Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a video editor using Sony Vegas Pro and you're hitting that frustrating error code 72, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it once and for all. This guide is brought to you for 2025, so we'll cover the latest tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First off, error code 72 in Sony Vegas Pro typically pops up when there's an issue with accessing or rendering files. It often means the software can't find a media file, or there's a conflict with your project settings. This can halt your editing workflow, but don't worry, it's usually fixable with a few simple steps. So, what causes this error? The most common culprits include corrupted project files, incompatible plugins or extensions, outdated software versions, or even permission issues on your computer. For instance, if you've recently moved files around or installed new hardware, that could trigger it. In 2025, with the latest updates, we might see more cases related to system compatibility, like conflicts with newer operating systems. Now, let's get to the solutions. Start by restarting Sony Vegas Pro on your computer. This sounds basic, but it resolves temporary glitches about 50% of the time. Next, check your project files. Make sure all media assets are in the correct folders and that there are no broken links. If that doesn't work, try updating Sony Vegas Pro to the latest version through the official website. If you're dealing with plugins, disable them one by one to identify the problem child. For more stubborn cases, run a disk cleanup and ensure your storage drive has enough space. You might also need to repair or reinstall Sony Vegas Pro. Head to the settings menu and look for the repair option. And remember, always back up your projects before making changes. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code 72 for good. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video.